Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo. I am doing a what fits in my bag today. What's in my bag today? I am going to be featuring my amazing Tabby 26. So if you would like to see what fits in this gorgeous bag, then please watch on. Hello my lovelies, how are you guys? I hope you've been well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves during these challenging Miss Rona times, because it's time for Miss Rona to go, but she's here, so we must all make the best of it. And I hope you guys are keeping your masks on, or sanitizing your hands, or washing your hands, and staying as healthy as you can, and choosing happiness in these times, these challenging times. So yeah, that's my spiel. Before I jump into the video, I just wanted to say, if you're new here, thank you so much for coming to check out my channel. I really appreciate it. If you have been here before, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back. That's the best part. Leave a comment below if you have a channel and I'm not subscribed to you. Let me know, because I will definitely check you out. And yeah, let's just keep the love going, because I'm here for all the positivity that's on YouTube lately. It's been fantastic. So yeah, subscribe, ding ding thingy, ding ding, subscribe if you haven't. Please do. Also hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm posting. As you guys know, I do lifestyle videos, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of handbags, just a smorgasbord of whatever I want to talk about really. And today it is, of course, the Tabby Medium. And this baby packs a lot, and because of that, she's heavy. I've put a lot of stuff in here, which is probably not a good idea because she is a handheld bag. But I just love how much you can put in here. So I will link my unboxing up here of this bag, because I just did get it not so long ago. So I'm so excited to finally be using it. So why don't we get into it? The bag does have a back pocket. I am training myself, especially with all of my bags, never to use the back pocket, because I feel like it just stresses them out and stretches them out, and then it just becomes a bit unattractive when they're sagging in the bag. So I don't even put an iPhone back there. The widest thing I might put back here would be like a card case, but even that I've learned it's best a piece of paper at best. That's it. Do not put anything in those back pockets. Alright, so back to the actual contents of the bag. Let me tell you something. This baby packs a lot. I mean, you'll see. You won't believe what I have in here. So it's all in there. Chock-a-block full. There is a front pocket here too, which I will just also, same front back, maybe put in something flat like a piece of paper or a receipt. That will be it. No phones will be put in there. I just want to be able to maintain the integrity of the bag. And as you can see, I do have it stuffed pretty full. So I have something in here that is really kind of over the top in size, but I think I just wanted to see if it would fit. Plus I was using them today, so yeah, I needed them in here. But I can say in all honesty that when I show it to you, I will say that this is typically not something I would carry in the bag, because it is large, but I'm quite impressed that it fit in here quite comfortably. So let's go. First, of course, is yes, videotaping. Thank you. Yeah, okay, first things first. Sorry about that. My husband is like, what are you doing? I'm like, what are you doing? Anyway, first things first, I have my key clay. No, my clay holder, my key holder. It's the Louis Vuitton Damier Graphite Senior Moment. What can I say? And I do have my keys hanging off of that. Let's see, next in here is my It's from the 2019 Christmas animation, and it's in the damier print and has the imprint there. I think that's Victorian, I forget what she's called. So that's in there. I have one I'm using as my makeup case currently, and it's just this little heart bubbly thing. I think this was Ipsy. Yeah, it says Ipsy on the tag. So I have my makeup in there. And then I have what is like the big mama jamma. I have this ginormous case in here. It's my sunglasses. And I grabbed the whole thing when I left earlier today, but typically I would really just grab this on the inside, and I love these. Yeah, they're a bit hard to put on when I have my head wrap on, but I do have those in there. But I thought it was kind of cool that I could lay this really large piece in here, but I had to lay it straight like this and in the bottom. It could not be upright because obviously the bag narrows towards the top, so I could not put it upright like that. But if I lay it along the bottom here, then it actually fit very, very well. And then I also have something else in here. The one thing that we all carry now. Dig, dig, dig. Hand sanitizer. That's in there. And what else? Of course, my phone. Yes. And then, what else? Oh, okay. I had to have my, I was running some errands today, so I did grab my medium damier graphite agenda, yeah, Louis Vuitton agenda. So rather large piece, but also fit in here quite comfortably. Now I will say all of these things did make the bag slightly heavy. It's not typical that I would run around with this, but I had some stuff in there that I needed to drop at the post office, so I grabbed the whole thing. But as you can see, this baby packs a lot. Absolutely love it. It's my boss bag. Now, I will say, I haven't worked in an office in, I don't know, 5 years. Occasionally, I used to travel for work before Miss Rona came around on occasion and go into offices and conferences and so on. And when I'm able to do that again, you bet your bottom dollar, or whatever that saying is, that this is definitely what I will be taking with me. I love a handheld ladylike bag, and this just carries so much fits into it. It's perfect. So I will definitely be taking this with me. Yeah, so that is it. That is the contents of what is inside my Coach Medium Tabby. I'm glad I didn't go for the larger size. This is perfect. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for coming back. Remember, always choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Feel happy, feel good. Choose the best for you and yours. Choose the best for you. Forget them, for you. Choose the best for you. So thank you so much for watching AhhhSoNeo. Stay blessed, guys.